welcome to your loving kindness meditation. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and begin to invite relaxation into your whole body. Close your eyes and allow them to remain closed throughout our practice so we can bring our awareness inward. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. As we begin, think of a person who is close to you, someone who cares for you very much. It could be someone from your past or someone in your present. Maybe someone still experiencing this life, or perhaps someone who has passed. Just imagine that person standing next to you now, sending you their love. This person is sending you wishes for your safety, for your well-being, and for your happiness. Just feel the warmth and love radiating from that person towards you. Now bring to mind another person who cherishes you deeply. Imagine this person standing on your other side, sending you wishes for your wellness, for your good health, and for your happiness. And feel that kindness and warmth coming to you from that person. Now imagine that you are surrounded on all sides by all the people who love you and all the people who have loved you throughout your life, sending you wishes for your happiness, well-being, and good health. Bask in the warmth of the love coming to you from all sides, and you are filled and overflowing with warmth and love. Now bring your awareness back to that first person standing beside you. Begin to send that love that you feel, the love that they sent you, back to that person. You and this person are so similar, and just like you, this person wishes to be happy. Send all your love and warm wishes to that person. And repeat the following phrases silently to yourself. May you live with ease. May you be happy. May you be free from pain. May you live with ease. May you be happy. May you be free from pain. May you live with ease. May you be happy. May you be free from pain. Now focus your awareness on the person standing on your opposite side. Begin to direct the love within you to that person. Send all your love and warmth to that person. This person and you are alike, and just like you, this person wishes to feel love. Repeat the following phrases silently to yourself. Just as I wish to, may you be safe, may you be healthy, may you live with ease and joy. Just as I wish to, may you be safe, may you be healthy, may you live with ease and joy. Just as I wish to, may you be safe, may you be healthy, May you live with ease and joy. Now picture another person that you love, perhaps a relative or a friend. And this person, like you, wishes to have a life filled with love. And begin to send your love and warm wishes to that person. And repeat the following phrases silently to yourself. May your life be filled with love, good health, and well-being. May your life be filled with love, good health, and well-being. May your life be filled with love, good health, and well-being. Now think of an acquaintance, someone that you don't know very well, and toward whom you have no particular feelings. You and this person are alike, and in every way you wish to have a good life. Send all your wishes for well-being to this person, repeating the following phrases. Just as I wish to, may you also live with ease and happiness. Just as I wish to, may you also live with ease and happiness. And just as I wish to, may you also live with ease and happiness. Now picture another acquaintance, someone to whom you feel neutral, no feelings one way or the other. It could be a neighbor, a work colleague, someone else that you see around but you don't know very well. And like you, this person wishes to experience joy and well-being in their life. Send all your good wishes to this person, repeating the following phrases silently to yourself. May you be joyful, may you be healthy, and may you be free from all pain. May you be joyful, may you be healthy, may you be free from all pain. May you be joyful, may you be healthy, may you be free from all pain. Now begin to expand your awareness and picture in your mind the entire planet Earth as a small ball that you can fit in your hand. Now send warm wishes to all living beings on the globe who, like you, simply want to be safe, healthy, and peaceful. And repeat these phrases. Just as I wish to, may you live with peace, happiness, and good health. Just as I wish to, may you live with peace, happiness, and good health. Just as I wish to, may you live with peace, happiness, and good health. Take a deep breath in and a gentle, slow breath out. And another deep breath in and release. recognize that it's by sharing with others that we experience fullness in our own lives, and that by radiating loving kindness to all beings, we change not only ourselves, but the world for the better. When you're ready, open your eyes, carry with you and share this feeling and experience of loving kindness to all living beings throughout the rest of your day. I wish you wellness, joy, and freedom.